China has not only developed itself, but also brought benefits to the world. At the third Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation, held in October in Beijing, President Xi Jinping announced 8 major steps that China will take to support the joint pursuit of high-quality Belt and Road cooperation, including key measures to support an open world economy. The Chinese government will implement these steps with concrete actions, promote cooperation for broader, deeper, and higher-level opening up, and make greater contribution to world economic recovery and global development and prosperity. First, we will continue to promote opening up with bigger market opportunities. Market is a rare resource in today's world. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, including a 400 million strong middle-income group, China has enormous potential in market demand. In the past 5 years, China has increased its import of goods by 47% and ranked among the top in the world in foreign investment utilization. With a 5.2% GDP growth in the first 3 quarters of this year, the Chinese economy has remained on an upward trajectory and played a more visible role as a stabilizer and engine of world economic recovery. China is always ready to share the opportunities of its market. We will actively expand imports, promote coordinated development of trading goods and trading services, introduce the negative lists on cross-border trade in services, respectively for nationwide implementation and for pilot free trade zones, support innovative forms and models of foreign trade, and vigorously develop digital trade. In the next 5 years, China's import of goods and services is expected to reach $17 trillion on cumulative terms, which will continue to generate immense market benefits to the world. Second, we will continue to promote opening up with better connectivity of rules. Promoting institutional opening up is a key initiative taken by China to expand high-level opening up. Currently, we have launched trials in 5 pilot free trade zones and the Hainan Free Trade Port. We will continue to deepen reform in relevant fields, build more high-level open platforms, expand the globally oriented high-standard free trade network, actively pursue accession to the comprehensive and progressive Agreement on Trans-Pacific Partnership and the Digital Economy Partnership Agreement, and negotiate for the conclusion of more high-standard free trade agreements. We will further expand market access, earnestly implement policies including removing all restrictions on foreign investment access in the manufacturing sector, protect the rights and interests of foreign investors in accordance with law, and continue to foster a world-class, market-oriented business environment governed by a sound legal framework. During this year's CIE, we will hold the Invest in China Year Summit and other matching events, which I believe will open up new cooperation space for investors around the world. Third, we will continue to promote opening up with stronger dynamism for innovation. At present, a new round of scientific and technological revolution and industrial transformation is unfolding. Digital technology and digital economy are reshaping the traditional growth model in a profound way, and providing a new and important engine for global economic development. China is ready to enhance innovation cooperation with other countries, push for deeper integration of science and technology with the economy, promote the sharing of innovation outcomes, and break the barriers impeding the flow of knowledge, technology, talent, and other innovation factors. We will integrate more proactively into the global innovation network, deepen reform in digital economy, and promote the free and orderly flow of data in accordance with law. You are all welcome to participate in the Global Digital Trade Expo to be held in Hangzhou, China, and join the initiative on international trade and economic cooperation framework for digital economy and green development. Fourth, we will continue to promote opening up with greater inclusiveness and benefit sharing. The WTO-centered multilateral trading system is the cornerstone of economic globalization and free trade. It is also an important safeguard for ensuring steady global recovery. China will always stand on the right side of history, keep up with the progress of the times, resolutely oppose unilateralism and protectionism, firmly uphold the authority and effectiveness of the multilateral trading system, fully and substantively participate in the WTO reform, and support the early entry into force of the Trade Facilitation Agreement. We will steadfastly maintain the stability of global industrial and supply chains and promote international consensus and rules that are conducive to advancing opening up and cooperation and removing the disruption of non-economic factors. We will work with all parties involved to deepen Belt and Road partnerships of cooperation, usher this cooperation into a new stage of high-quality development, and deliver development opportunities and concrete benefits to more countries and peoples.